6 weeks ago, I had a huge turning point in my digital marketing journey. I started the school community, and it is so satisfying to be able to help others on the journey that I was on and to bring them to where I am now. I decided to do this because I realized I like helping other people and I like teaching them how to do the things that I love doing, especially when they're Gen Xers and they're not sure how to do all these things. But let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Lisa. I'm 53 years old. I'm a beautician by trade, but due to long COVID, I can't work a full day anymore. And I had to start with something that could supplement my income. And that's what I did just over 18 months ago. And boy, was it a wonderful experience to start with digital marketing. But being a Gen Xer and not so tech savvy, there were some things that I battled with. And now, 18 months later, I can help other people and show them how to do it quicker, faster, and better. And that's why I started my school community to help you on your journey of digital marketing, to show you the shorter way to do it, to help you to earn a better income. So if you want more information, please leave school in the comments and I'll send you more information and that you can also have a turning point for the better in your life.